The residue of hua, the residue of transformation stems from it. Now we're at the end of the line, basically, right? Beginning with our mouth, we're now at the end of the line. Let's take a look just at the colon itself anatomically. The dynamic relationship of the large intestine to the other organs, this last extraction of fluids. So the large intestine is bringing that water back into the triple heater mechanism, which is able to be integrated again along with electrolytes and some B vitamins. So this relationship that the large intestine has to water is one of the aspects that puts it into a very important relationship with the kidneys. Kidney relationship, in a way, is in part based on this relationship to water, right? For example, if your colon is removed, people who have like colon resectioning, the kidney picks up the slack in terms of the remaining water metabolism. This bladder qi-hua process, right, where that water to the bladder, the stuff that cannot be integrated, that's been integrated back in the system. Some of it, of course, will be brought back to the bladder, and then the bladder will steam that water back through the triple heater mechanism, which eventually works its way back up to the lungs. Again, the triple heater mechanism being the sort of interstitial space on the one hand, and on the other hand, the triple heater mechanism being the this almost like yang force that is allowing for the transformations to take place. Of course, the electrolytes that are also being extracted at that point in the large intestine are helping the kidneys yang, because they're helping the heart rate, they're helping the blood pressure, they're helping the yang activity. So its kidney relationship is very strong. And then, of course, the other aspect of the kidney relationship to the large intestine has to do just with the peristaltic movement, because all of that movement of qi, which in this case has to do with the peristaltic movement as well as the rocking movement, the basically the movement of the large intestine is largely coming from kidney yang. So that's just as everything's coming from kidney yang in terms of movement, in terms of qi.